Welcome to this video. In this video, I will present what's new on the Taack UI framework. First, we have a new tutorials, which allow you to progressively understand how we use the framework. So you have a first tab in the usage page, in the usage menu, and also advanced with many parts to improve the application. So you will start, it's better to follow those tutorials in order to understand how security is managed and what are the advantages of using this framework over regular JSP file or other approach. In fact, on those tutorials, it's written we have to use Java 24, but maybe in next version we will be able to use Java 25 for compilation. We can use Java 25 if you build the jar file, as you will see in the tutorial. Along with the new content on the website, we also have new stuff into the framework, like I will show you in a moment. So first, we support much newer version of Grails, Gradle, Java, and Groovy. We also improved performances when drawing complex pages with big tables. We also split the Taack UI framework into many artifacts. We separated JDBC, PDF, SSH, and search, and so on, asciidoc, into other artifacts. One thing to note is that Taack UI PDF is not Apache version, it's actually AGPL v3 version, so we have to write another plugin to stick with our default license. We have added also contextual menus on field and classes. So here you have a code sample. We have the lead statue on this column, and we are able to display the next accessible statue for one offer on the context of this application. We also have notification helpers. So new data are in bold, as you might see here. It's white on whatever. We have new diagram customization. We have a work in progress asciidoc editor, which is built. You can add capabilities of this editor directly into your Java code, not into the JavaScript code, by using a regular expression pattern. We also improve mails and PDF diagrams output. And we also now avoid to use application.yaml for Taack UI configuration. So it's a static object you can initialize in the main application. It is now possible to, we can copy paste things even in the asciidoc editor. You can I don't know if there is an application for that. We can have a try. Let's see how it does look. For this purpose, I will use an IntelliJ. So it's the preferred way of to develop the Taack UI with the Taack UI framework. So we start the application using either this menu here, server boot run. But once you have done this one time, you can directly use boot run here. Bootjar is a task in server folder. Bootjar is to build binaries, standalone binaries you can use with Java 25, as I said earlier. So here I click on boot run. I have put some applications in this folder. So I have the default crew application, also editor Collabora, which allow you to edit doc files and so on. Intercom, which is some things to manage SSH connections with is intranet. My book is a tutorial app. PLM is an application to manage parts model from FreeCAD. Viewer PDF, viewer step, and viewer video are 3 different kind of viewers which allow you to see PDF files and video online when looking into attachments. So let's start the application. The application is launched, and we have to use this URL here. So basically, I have the same application here and here, but this one is not a visual application. It's only a plugin on attachment app, which is contained into Crew. We merge Crew and attachment into the Crew app. So this app is in fact locked into the same folder than this one. Intercom app, it's a kind of you can publish asciidoc files using Git. And PLM app is an application which works with FreeCAD. So here you just have to drop the application into the folder, and it will be loaded automatically into the application, into this server app. What I want to show you is the viewer PDF, for example. So we can choose a PDF file. First, we will see the video. So you can copy paste here, drop the file directly into you don't have to push on the plus sign. If you do that, the default. So you can see online directly in the file inline. You can see also a preview of the file. Here there is an issue on the dimensions of the preview, but whatever. And you see the default files inputs that has been chosen if you copy paste the files. So by default, when you copy paste, only owners can write onto the file, can update the version of the file, and the category is others. You can choose a category or tag if you have set tags. And access right is only restricted to only me and my managers. You can also create here files from templates. So you have PowerPoint files, sheet files, and PowerPoint files, sheet files, drawing, and text files. I'm not sure it's working as of today, but because I have to install, in fact, Collabora. If you want to see the documentation about Collabora, you can go to the Taack website. And I think I have Collabora editor explanations on how to set up Collabora viewer into your intranet. There is even a video about that if you want to see it. So here I can view inline PDF. I can also view inline video. I can also view inline PDF files and step files. So here I pass the step file, and if FreeCAD is correctly set, it's not the case now in these installations, but you can view the step file clicking here. Like we can see the PLM parts also with the viewer here, but it's not working. It's not working because I don't set FreeCAD into this. Yes, I set it. So okay, so you have your viewer basically, which looks like that. Okay. So we have copy paste, as we see. We also have context menu, and we have the smallest application you can do linking only with using only these dependencies is like 70 megs inside. So it's a small application for a Java application, a full-fledged Java server application. what you have, if you port applications against the previous framework, what you have to do is the most impactful changes are the Grail 7 application framework we use, and also the Taack UI configuration, which is now static. So if you want to properly configure the Taack UI configuration, the best way to do this is to choose the parameters into the init, the main app of the application, and here you can override default configuration parameters. So root is where all the files will be the root of the folder that will contain all files from your intranet. So here, if I look at this folder, I have for each application a subfolder, and to the subfolder, sometimes we have many other. The preview is ready. No. We have a folder tree for each application, which is contained into the subfolder. Okay, that's it for this new version. I want to keep this video short, and the tutorial and the new explanations into the website should help. I hope will help you to start with this framework. Thanks.